Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today's video is about Codecademy, a website for learning the basics of coding for free. First, we create an account. I already have one, but it's quite easy to create one, as you can see here. Let's explore the home page. So, we need to have a goal first. Do we want to gain a skill, learn a language, or explore a subject? After we choose our goal, we can browse the catalog to see what skill we want to learn. Some of these are charged, while others are free. Let's try the Learn Java course to see the teaching methods. Learn Java is categorized into the language fluency category. So first we'll see the overview and then the syllabus. Here are the lessons. Let's try the first one, which is Hello World. Let's start. As we can see here, we get clear instructions on our task and details on what we're going to be learning. Now, I won't be going any further because every course is different and there's no point in just exploring one course. So let's go back to the main page. Let's see the resources. Here we see a menu with projects, challenges, talks, cheat sheets and more. Let's see the community. Here we have the forums, chat, chapters, events and learner stories. And here are the pro pricing options. That was all for this video. Thanks for watching. Until next time.